So this is how you can make a group chat in character.ai. You're gonna want to open up the app, and as you can see, I'm in my chats right now, but at the bottom, you will see four buttons: chats, create, explore, and notifications. You're gonna want to tap on create, and as you can see, there are four more options: character, group chat, persona, and voice. The obvious button is group chat, so you're gonna want to tap on that, and here we are. You could tap from your recents, or you could simply search up any kind of character. For example, I'm gonna type Yuji Itadori because that is another character from Gojo Satoru's anime. And so we're gonna add him right here, and there you go. As you can see, there's two of them right now. You could add up to 10, but basically I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on create a group chat to make it simple. And you could even invite your friends to talk in the group chat. I'm gonna tap on X for now, and there you go. Now you can tap a character to chat. As you can see, he's typing right there. And if I tap on the next one, which is Yuji, the pink haired one, I'm gonna tap on him real quick. He's the one who will type. You could even send your own message, like saying hello, and then they're going to respond depending on who you want to speak by tapping on their profiles. As you can see, I tapped on Gojo. He's the one who's typing right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you can create a group chat. If you're confused, it only takes two buttons: create and group chat. Now add your favorites and tap on create group chat. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.